Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. And today we're going to be preparing this Krusteaz chocolate brownie batter. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your package of brownie batter, a pan to cook this in. They recommend an 8 by 8 inch pan. If you don't have that, you could use a 9 by 9. You could even use little muffin cups, but everything is going to vary in terms of how long you have to bake it. So you'll have to keep an eye on that if you differ from this recipe at all. I have also lined my baking pan with foil just to make it easier to lift everything out completely at once and then cut them without having to wrestle them out of the pan. You can skip that part if you don't want to do that though. Then we're going to need some oil to grease our pan with, some toothpicks to check and make sure that it is done in the end, and some scissors to cut open our package. The first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we are going to prepare our pan. So line it with foil or go ahead and grease your pan, the sides and bottom. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. We're gonna put our batter into our pan. I would recommend just kneading this a little bit before you open it up so that way everything is incorporated. You're also going to be preparing this from a refrigerated, thawed out state. If you have frozen this, make sure that it is completely thawed out before putting it into your pan. Then go ahead and cut the top completely off and we're gonna spread this into our pan. So that took about 5 business days to get out of there. And I didn't mention it before, but we're gonna need a spatula or something to spread this in a little bit because this is thick and you're gonna definitely need to even it out in your pan. So just go ahead and zhuzh this around until it is in a more level state and it goes all the way to the corners of your pan. All right, now that we've got that done, we're going to pop this into our oven for about 33 to 37 minutes. We'll know it's done when the edges are looking a little bit more dry and cooked and a toothpick inserted about 1 inch from the edge comes out mostly clean. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, we are back and it has been about 35 minutes in my oven and we're just gonna go ahead and check and see if these brownies are done. And in terms of brownies, I would definitely call this mostly clean. This is more of a moist brownie versus batter that's stuck on there. And you don't want them to be over baked. So here we have it, our completed Krusteaz chocolate brownie batter. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.